Australia's diverse climate demands reliable heating and cooling solutions, making the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) industry a crucial aspect of everyday life. Among the various companies operating in this sector, a select few have risen to the top, establishing themselves as industry leaders. In this article, we will explore some of the leading heating and cooling businesses in Australia and examine what sets them apart in this competitive market. Daikin Australia. Daikin is a name synonymous with excellence in HVAC solutions worldwide. With a rich history dating back to 1969 in Australia, Daikin has consistently set high standards in innovation and energy efficiency. Their products cater to both residential and commercial markets, offering a wide range of air conditioning systems and heating solutions. Daikin's commitment to sustainability is commendable, with a focus on reducing environmental impact through energy-efficient technologies and refrigerants. Their products are known for their reliability and performance, earning them a reputation as a top choice among consumers and businesses alike. Fujitsu General Australia. Fujitsu General is another formidable player in the Australian HVAC market. With a presence dating back to the early 1970s, the company has built a solid reputation for its cutting-edge technology and high-quality products. Fujitsu offers a comprehensive range of air conditioning and heating solutions designed to meet the specific needs of Australian consumers and businesses. One of Fujitsu's standout features is its commitment to research and development, constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation. Their products are known for their energy efficiency, quiet operation, and advanced features, making them a preferred choice for those seeking comfort and sustainability. ActronAir is an Australian-owned and operated company that has earned its place among the top HVAC businesses in the country. Established in 1984, ActronAir focuses on creating climate control solutions tailored to the Australian climate. Their products range from ducted air conditioning systems to split systems and commercial-grade HVAC solutions. What sets ActronAir apart is its dedication to local manufacturing and support. They design and manufacture their systems in Australia, ensuring that their products are specifically engineered to withstand the country's extreme weather conditions. This commitment to quality and customer service has earned them a loyal customer base. Rinnai Australia. Rinnai is a well-known name in the Australian HVAC industry, particularly for its innovative heating solutions. The company has been operating in Australia since 1971, and its product line includes gas heaters, electric heaters, hot water systems, and air conditioners. Rinnai has gained recognition for its energy-efficient and environmentally friendly heating products. Their continuous flow hot water systems and gas heaters are popular choices for those looking to reduce energy consumption and lower their carbon footprint. Rinnai's dedication to sustainable heating solutions aligns with Australia's growing focus on environmental responsibility. Australia's climate diversity creates a high demand for reliable and efficient heating and cooling solutions, and the aforementioned companies have risen to the challenge. Daikin, Fujitsu General, ActronAir, and Rinnai are among the leading HVAC businesses in Australia, each with its unique strengths and commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability. As consumers and businesses continue to prioritize comfort and energy efficiency, these industry leaders are well-positioned to meet their needs and shape the future of heating and cooling solutions in Australia. Whether it's through cutting-edge technology, local manufacturing, or a strong commitment to sustainability, these companies are setting the standard for excellence in the HVAC industry down under.